Something is shifting at Spotify Camp Nou, and if you have been watching this build closely, you can feel it. The material is stacking up faster than before. The painting that has been holding everything back is finally getting done, and multiple zones are sitting right on the edge of their next big visible moment. Today felt like the calm before something major. Every zone had something happening, and some of what was seen today points directly toward a very significant week ahead. Here is everything that happened. At the South Goal Zone, elevated platforms were active on the upper beam framework, with workers tightening and confirming individual anchor points across the sector. Every single anchor has to be perfectly set before the guide wires go in, and the guide wires have to be perfect before the slats can follow. That chain is almost complete here. The groundwork being laid in this zone right now is exactly what needs to happen before the visible finishing work can begin, and based on what was seen today, that moment is not far away at all. One more step, and this zone goes from preparation to installation. It is that close. Into the lateral corner, and the material delivery today raised eyebrows. 4 radial beams staged and ready. 2 compression ring boxes on the ground. The ring has been going up roughly every couple of days, and with this much stock sitting there, the next few days could be very significant for the compression ring box count. A new ceramic slat support was also installed near the mobility nucleus zone, quietly pushing the slat framework closer to covering the entire first cantilever circuit. Nobody is talking about it, but the pieces are all falling into place and the full circuit is getting closer with every passing day. Now the North Goal corner, and this is where today got interesting. Work in the Esquadra zone had been completely frozen for days. The reason was simple, but critical. Every beam surface and every perno sitting directly behind the slat positions had to be fully painted black before a single slat could go up. That painting is now confirmed done. And the moment it was finished, a new slat went straight up. 2 elevated platforms moved in simultaneously, one from above and one from below, and connected it into position. The lower false ceiling section is also confirmed complete all the way to the interior. The North Goal corner is finally moving again, and it is not going to stop. At the North Goal mid-section, the antioxidant primer is still being applied to the remaining pernos. Slow and methodical, but necessary. The black top coat follows the primer, and the slats follow the black top coat. The concrete panels for the mobility nucleus have been staged nearby for weeks and are ready the moment the sequence calls for them. Sparks were also visible near the nucleus, with welding active on the beam structure. Preparation work happening on every level at the same time. This zone is building towards something, and the signals are all pointing in the same direction. At the Tribune zone, the left side horizontal connecting unions are confirmed placed. The right side still has nothing installed yet, but platforms were active in that area today, and a small black crane that has been seen placing unions in other zones was on site. Something is about to happen on the right side. The concrete pump was also confirmed active in the upper Tribune section with a mixer on site. Hormigonado work happening above, while the slat preparation closes in below. 2 things advancing at the same time in the same zone tells you exactly how busy this area is right now. And then, the Cafeteria diamond. This one has been frustrating to watch. The steel reinforcement bars sat exposed and untouched for months, completely stalled. Nobody knew when it was going to restart. Today, the formwork is back. The bars are now encofrado and ready to be concreted. Whatever was holding this section back has been resolved, and the finishing sequence around this structure is finally moving again. That is a big deal for the exterior timeline, and it is one of those moments that quietly changes the outlook for everything around it. That is everything from today. Painting done, material arriving, a long-stalled zone reactivated, and multiple sectors sitting one step away from their next visible breakthrough. Every zone today felt like it was loading up for something bigger. This build is accelerating, and the next few days are going to be very interesting. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe if you are not already. You do not want to miss what comes next. See you then.